In our previous videos, we talked about the stolen chord trick and how it can instantly transform a song's emotional landscape. We also touched on a cool system that lets us describe chords using numbers instead of traditional notation. If you missed those, or maybe you want to revisit them, I will include the links in the description. Today we are diving back into the stolen chord trick, but this time we are focusing on the minor 5 chord. It adds a whole new level of sophistication, which is why you don't see it as often in today's pop music. But the underlying idea is the same. In a major key, we swap out the original major 5 chord with its minor version, borrowed from the parallel minor key. Here is how it works in Corey Glover's April Rain. What's so great about this beautiful song is that the songwriter uses both versions of the 5 chord in the same phrase. And this juxtaposition creates a lot of extra contrast and drama without messing up the natural harmonic progression. Let me give you another example from the famous song Happy Together by the Turtles. And now, for the sake of comparison, let me try playing the same musical idea using the traditional major chord. Now, it sounds good, nothing wrong with it, but it's kind of plain and not as interesting as the stolen 5, which is the real signature of the song. Here is one of my all-time favorites, Ordinary World by Duran Duran, another amazing example of the stolen chord trick. The whole progression is incredibly beautiful, using a whole bunch of stolen chords, not just the minor 5. What a beautiful example of how powerful stolen chords can be. And of course, as we discussed, the minor 5 isn't super common in today's pop music. It's way more sophisticated to my taste. It's deeper than the minor 4. It stirs up lots of complex feelings, emotions, and of course it needs some skill to be used properly. But there is a silver lining. Some modern artists and songwriters, like Charlie Puth for example, seem to really get the power of intricate harmonies and unusual chord progressions, and here is how Charlie uses stolen chords in his recent single Cry, featuring Kenny G. The whole song is built around this one progression, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So try incorporating this beautiful minor 5 chord into your own creative work. And of course, always keep an ear out for examples of using stolen chords in whatever music you enjoy. We've got lots more cool tips and tricks to help make your music journey even more exciting. Plus, we are putting together a brand new comprehensive course that will cover many hot topics in music theory, production, and more. Make sure to like and subscribe. We would like to stay in touch and let you know about new content as it becomes available. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.